Bikutan Auto Exchange 2022 model Toyota Camry Hybrid. Mileage is only 14,000, leather interior, meron siyang sunroof. Hybrid! Tingnan nyo naman po yung napakaganda niyang blue badge. So ibig sabihin, hybrid. Ending 3, projector lamps. The color is black. Original size 18 Camry rims. Highlighted signal light. Guys, napakakinis nito. Orig paint. Wow, look at the trunk. Makina siya. Interior, ito po siya. Napakaganda. Pwede nyo pong bisitahin itong 2022 Camry Hybrid dito sa Bikutan Auto Exchange.